Look at this sneaky little guy. Been patiently waiting for close to an hour now nearby. And his partner is over by the car. But this is the nightly cracker feast for them. He's having fun. It's cracker time. Right, buddy? Yeah? These are the same rabbits that come around pretty much every night now since we've got rain. During the drought, I didn't see them very often. I couldn't cut my grass today because it rained to beat hell last night. So some of the grass is still wet. Alright, look at this sneaky guy. He's literally like right there. About 3-4 feet from me. Very cautious they are. You have to move very slowly when you're around them because they spook easy. But this one's getting used to me. I talk to him. They get used to your voice. Anyway, something for an old guy to do when he's sitting on his deck at night. Fun to have a little wildlife come and visit you. Usually we get deer through here too after about 8 o'clock Central Time, but I haven't seen any lately. What you doing, bud? He's sucking up all the crackers before his buddy comes over to try it, to take the rest. Yeah. Another night of cracker rabbit. Sometimes I put other stuff out.